Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Nitron shocks. We'll start with rebound damping, which controls how quickly your shock extends after compression. Find the rebound adjuster, usually a knob or screw at the bottom of the shock body. Turning it clockwise will make the rebound firmer, while turning it counterclockwise will make it softer. Make small adjustments, perhaps 1 or 2 clicks at a time. Next, let's look at compression damping. This setting controls how quickly your shock compresses when hitting bumps or during cornering. You'll typically find the compression adjuster on the shock's reservoir or at the top of the main body. Just like with rebound, turning it clockwise increases firmness and counterclockwise softens the compression. Remember to adjust in small increments. Now, let's talk about spring per load. This adjustment determines the initial compression of the spring, directly affecting your vehicle's ride height and sag. You'll need a C-spanner to loosen the locking collar. Then, you can turn the spring seat to increase or decrease the per load. Ensure you tighten the locking collar securely after making your adjustments. Finally, it's crucial to test your adjustments. Ride your vehicle in a safe, controlled environment to feel the changes. Always make small, incremental adjustments, perhaps 1 click or 1/4 of a turn at a time. Pay attention to how the vehicle responds. Once you find settings you like, record them so you can easily return to them or make further refinements.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.